It is with great honor and joy that I stand before you today as we celebrate the 54th anniversary of SHEDA. This milestone is not just a testament of our resiliency, but also of our devoted commitment to the housing industry in the country. Over the past 54 years, SHEDA has grown from a small group of visionary developers into a progressive organization that has played a role in shaping the landscape of our nation's housing industry.
Braved Wednesday night traffic to be here in BGC for the 54th anniversary celebration of the Subdivision and Housing Developers Association. Palakpakan naman po for SHEDA!
Thank you very much and happy 54th anniversary to SHEDA. Together, we will build a brighter future for all. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Sa patuloy na pagtataguyod namin ng isang pag-ibig na ramdam ng lahat. Maraming salamat sapagkat ang SHEDA ay patuloy ding ramdam ng mga pag-ibig members at ng pag-ibig fund. Saludo po kami at ang inyong lingkod pag-ibig sa tibay at tatag ng inyong samahan sa mahigit na 5 dekada. Congratulations, SHEDA! Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
And I am deeply grateful for each one of you. It is truly a privilege to be a part of this amazing organization and this family we call SHEDA. Together, we can build a brighter, more inclusive future for all Filipinos. Thank you. Happy 54th anniversary to SHEDA and a wonderful evening to everyone.
Let us raise our glasses and give a toast to SHEDA and to all of us. May we continue to grow, thrive, and make a difference in the lives of many. Cheers!